It's time to understand what are themes and how we can create our own theme. Okay, so let's first see what is theme. Okay, so theme is just used to change the look and feel of our website. Okay, so how many themes are there in Magento system? We will see that. Okay, so for that you need to go to content and then themes. Okay, so once you go on content, themes, here you will see the list of themes available on the site. Yeah, so can you see blank and Luma theme is there? Okay, then which theme is applied, that we can see here in content and then configuration, right? So he can see global main website. So this is theme which is being applied. Just click on that edit link here. Here you can see applied theme. The selected name is a Magento Luma. Okay, so this theme has been selected. So the files which are there in this theme, like CSS, layout, templates, which helps to display your website, content of your website, and look and feel of the website, is present in this theme. Okay, so we will now understand how we can create our own theme. Okay, so to do that, here is the link I will share in the description. Okay, Magento theme development tutorial step by step. Okay, so we will see first step 1, create theme directory. Okay, so for that we need to go to the root directory of Magento, right, and then app design frontend. So yes, I am in the root directory, then app design frontend. Okay, so here we need to give the vendor name of our theme. Okay, so the coach SMB is the vendor name. Okay, so let me just create a variable, create a folder with the name the coach SMB. Okay, so inside of it we will give create one folder my theme. Okay, so create one more folder here and name is my theme. Okay, naming convention is very important. This name all will be in small and this first letter will be capital. So this is the naming convention given by Magento. If you don't follow, your theme will not be detected in Magento system. So naming convention very important. Then second step is to declare your theme. Okay, so how to declare our theme? Let's go to the themes which are present in Magento system. Let's understand that first, where those themes are stored in Magento directory. Okay, so Magento 2 root folder, go to vendor, then here go to Magento folder and press T so that we can reach to here. Okay, so can you see theme admin HTML backend? So here admin HTML theme is stored. Here front end we have two options, blank and Luma. Okay, let's go to Luma theme, and here we need these three files. Okay, on our theme. So these are compulsory files. Number 1, theme registration and composer. So let me just copy these files from here. Okay, and I will paste these files in my theme, app design frontend the coach SMB my theme, and I am pasting these files here. Okay, let's edit one of these file like theme.xml file, and we will do the changes as per our theme requirement. So title is the coach SMB and name is my theme. Okay, so then the parent of theme means if the files are not present in my theme, so see, we are not going to create each and every files which is required for the website to hold, right? Like there are so many files, there are so many pages as well. Okay, so many files and so many pages are there. This is just on home page. You can see catalog page, checkout page, order page, shopping cart page. So all these pages of course have CSS, right? So we are not going to create all those files here in our theme. We are just doing the changes which are required for our particular theme. Okay, so the files which are not present in my theme will be accessed through Luma theme, means whichever will be the parent. Okay, whichever we will specify parent, that file will be accessed from there. If the file is not there as well, then error will throw out. Okay, so I want to make Luma is my parent. Okay, parent theme. Perfect. Preview image I do not have, so I will just remove this tag. Okay, and I will save. So my theme.xml file is ready. Then so then we need to go to composer package. We need to create our theme in a composer package. Okay, so let me we just copied that from our Luma theme, so let me just edit here, and instead of this name I will give name of my theme in the composer package. Just copying this name and paste it here in the name. Okay, and okay, so all in small, very important, right? And this T as well. Okay, so I saved this now. Perfect. Composer file is also ready. Now is the registration.php. Let's edit this file as well. Okay, so front end. So this is the path of our theme. So Luma theme path is front end Magento Luma, and what's ours? Our is front end the coach SMB my theme. So let me just copy this path and paste it here. Okay, cool. Okay, so these three files are ready now. Next step is to see our listing. Okay, so to see our theme is there in Magento admin panel. We just need three files. Okay, so go to content and then click on under design section, click on themes. So here our theme will be ready. So here we saw we got an error. Okay, so let me just edit this file. Okay, so report will be present in Magento var report. Okay, so theme key does not correspond to required format area, front vendor and name. Okay, so the slash is the problem. Okay, so this is the format. You can just copy the code from the document which I have given. Okay, you can just copy the code from here. If you just copy and paste there, that issue will not be there. Okay, so this is just a slash issue. Okay, we saved it. Now it's time to refresh our page. Okay, cool. Awesome. Can you see? This is the name which we have given here in theme.xml, right? So this is the title of our theme. What happened? So this is the title of the theme. Parent theme is Magento Luma, right? Correct. Then theme path, right? So this is the path. Let's click on view. Perfect. Awesome. Now it's time to apply our theme. So go to content and then click on configuration as mentioned here. Okay, so global, this is the website currently having Magento Luma theme, right? So this is the look and feel of the website. Okay, this is how designing is done. Okay, so let me just edit. So here select the coach SMB my theme, right, and click on configuration. Cool. So now you can see theme name is the coach SMB my theme. Okay, for this website. Now go to cache management and clear the cache. Okay, you can go from here as well, click on system and then cache management. So I am in the cache management. Let me just flush the cache. Okay, so cache has been flushed. Now refresh the home page. Generally I press Ctrl Shift R to refresh the page. Okay, so it just clear the cache and refresh our page with the shortcut. Okay, awesome. Can you see now? So this is our theme has been applied, right? So wow. Now your question must be, why is the content of this page is not displaying, right? Okay, so to answer this question, go to content and then go to widgets. Okay, so can you see home page here? Okay, this is the CMS static block. This page is displaying CMS static block. Okay, so while creating this widget, the static block has been selected and the parent theme is Luma, right? So that block will be available for this theme only. Okay, so we changed our theme. Our theme is now the Coach SMB my theme, right? So that will not display here. Okay, so widget title is home page, all store CMS page, that's fine. And which block to display? Home page block. So for our theme, we will create or we will display the same block in our theme. Okay, so to do that, click on add widget, select CMS static block, then our theme, the Coach SMB, click on continue. Okay, awesome. Give the title like home page. Title should be such that it be clear. The home page name is already there, so let us distinguish the name with this. Like, okay, so the home page, the Coach SMB. So it indicates that it will be for the Coach SMB theme. Tick. Okay. Then add layout. For example, display on specified page. Okay, I want to display this block on specified page and that page will be CMS home page. Sounds good. Then the container is main content container. Okay, so this container is that. Okay, then go to widget options. Which block we will display? So we want the same block which was there. So home page block and then save. Yeah, so you saved now. It's awesome. Your page is displaying, your widget is displaying here. So let's just refresh the cache once. Flush the cache. Okay, so cache is flushing. Meanwhile, I will tell you where is the list of themes present in the database. Okay, so here go to this phpMyAdmin. Okay, then click on our table Magento 2. So this is my table name, okay, which I'm using for my Magento store. And here go to theme, okay, theme table. So here you can see our theme is listed here, the Coach SMB my theme, right? Blank theme. Okay, so cache has been flushed. It's time to see our home page. Ctrl Shift R. Awesome, isn't it? Looks same. Yeah, looks like Luma theme, right? But because we haven't done any changes in our theme, right? So it's same like a Luma theme. Now let's make some changes here, isn't it? Excited? I am excited too. So here you can see the details over here. You can read over it. I will tell you how to change the look and feel of this. Okay, so for that what you need to do is you just copy theme.ls and extend.ls file from your parent theme to our theme. Okay, my parent theme is Luma, right? Magento 2 vendor Magento theme frontend Luma. I will go to web folder, then CSS and then source, and I will copy table file. Okay, where to copy this? I need to copy this in my theme app design frontend the Coach SMB on the same path. Okay, on the same path, web, CSS, source. Have we created these folders? The answer is no. It's time to create those then. Control Shift N for new folder, web, then inside of it create CSS folder, then inside of it create source folder, right? So our path is same now, right? So copy theme and extend layers files to our themes. Okay, awesome. Now let's edit these files. Theme.xml file. Okay, so it's there. Okay, so just I'm removing this code because I want to add my code here in my theme. So let's change something here on the home page. Let's change here. You can see the page background is white, right? We will change it to gray, and here you can see this area, this is gray, right? We will change it to blue. Okay, we will understand in more deep in next video. In this video, just change these two parts. Okay, just to tell you that how theming is working. Okay, then so can you see page underscore this code, right? Background color. So this is the property and this is the code. Okay, so your question must be what exactly is this? So this is a variable. Okay, so where is these variables? Where how we can access these variables? Okay, so to access these variables, these are stored in Magento root directory, lib, web, css, source, lib, and here you can see these are the UI components. Okay, these are the UI libraries which are there in already. So I just want to change color. Okay, so I will go to variables, and here you will see colors. Okay, so let me just we don't need to modify any of the core files. Make a note that we will not modify any Luma or blank theme files or anything of the core files. Reason being, when we upgrade our Magento system, because new version will come up, at that time there will be time to upgrade our Magento project. So in that case our changes will go completely vanish and our project will not work as expected, right? So that's why you will not do any changes here. I am telling you this file just to tell you that this number of variables are there, and the combination of variables these color codes hold. Okay, so as per your requirement you can choose the color and copy that variable and use it in our theme, right here, right? So let's copy this. Okay, so this is for page background change and this is for copyright that area background change. Okay, I'm just pasting this code here. Save it. Okay, once you save, because it's a server compilation, so you will need to delete these files. Okay, where view processed. So go to this folder, Magento root directory, pub, static, frontend, the coach SMB, my theme here. Okay, so as per your theme, go to the proper path. Shift delete. I'm deleting these files. Okay, also we need to delete where and view processed files, right? So I will delete this as well. Okay, so both are doing. So after that, what we need to do? We need to, why we deleted these files? Okay, this is also have some story, right? So why we deleted this view processed and pub static? So view processed files will hold the lace formatted files, and we changed in the lace of one of the lace file, right? So that change will not reflect here because it's showing up the old one. Okay, because if we do changes we need to clear here. Same with the pub static. Okay, so this also statically have hold the content of everything, so that loading time will decrease. Okay, but if we do some changes at that time we need to delete these files. Okay, so deletion has been done. Let me just refresh this page. Okay, so can you see this kind of UI now? But don't worry, what we need to do, we need to run, go to command prompt here. I just wanted to show you that screen, this screen, so that you should be familiar with and you should know what exactly you need to do after that when you visit such kind of page. Okay, so I am in my root directory now. PHP bin/magento setup static content deploy -f. Okay, awesome, right? Can you see this? Okay, so this is how we run that command. Now it's time to clear the cache. Okay, so once we flush the cache, our home page will be ready to show us our theme changes, and I'm excited to see that. I'm sure you must be. Yeah, so Ctrl+Shift+R and let's see the magic now. Wow, so can you see our page background has been changed to gray, right? Awesome. Yeah, can you see the background? Awesome, perfect. And can you see our copyright text has also been changed. Background has also been changed to blue. Wow. So this is how we can perform the theming in our Magento system.